New Zealand's silver screen, a journey through its film industry. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the beautiful islands of New Zealand, but not for their stunning landscapes alone. Instead, we're taking a cinematic journey, exploring New Zealand's thriving film industry. So, grab your popcorn and let's begin. New Zealand's film history dates back to the early 20th century. However, it wasn't until the late 20th and early 21st centuries that it caught the world's attention. With breathtaking landscapes, New Zealand became a preferred destination for filmmakers from all over the world. The industry developed rapidly, and soon, it became one of the nation's key economic contributors. Now, let's talk blockbusters. One cannot discuss New Zealand's film industry without mentioning The Lord of the Rings trilogy. Directed by Kiwi filmmaker Peter Jackson, this epic saga showcased New Zealand's diverse landscapes, from the towering peaks of the Southern Alps to the rolling hills of Matamata, home to the hobbits. Other major films, such as Avatar, The Hobbit series, and The Chronicles of Narnia, were also partly filmed in New Zealand. New Zealand isn't just a backdrop. The country is home to some of the industry's most talented professionals. The Weta Workshop, based in Wellington, is a testament to this. Weta has played a crucial role in the success of many films, contributing world-class special effects, makeup, and props. They've been a cornerstone in bringing mythical creatures and worlds to life on the silver screen. The film industry has not only brought fame to New Zealand but also significant economic benefits. Tourism has seen a remarkable boost, with fans flocking to see the film locations firsthand. Towns like Matamata have transformed, capitalizing on their connection to these films. Additionally, the industry has created numerous jobs, from acting to technical roles, solidifying its importance in New Zealand's economic landscape. And that's a wrap on our cinematic tour of New Zealand. From mythical tales to the real economic impact, New Zealand's film industry is a story worth telling. We hope you've enjoyed this journey as much as we did. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.